We changed our Sage partner to Paradise, I'm going to say, a little over 2 years ago. And then there were one or two ideas, well, probably 3 or 4 ideas that we particularly sort of said to Paradise, well, these are problems, can you help? And they said, well, yes, here's a suite of ideas. On that BOM, we have the standard cost information. So we know that of these 7 steps, the first one should take 15 seconds, the next one takes 2.5 minutes, the next one takes 3 minutes, and so on. So we know to build a tool should take 25 minutes or whatever that series. Instead of walking to the physical machine with cardboard, there's a touch screen, and if I'm doing an operation, you walk up, and the home screen is listed the operatives. Peter, list the works orders I'm working on, that works order, which operation, that one, go, walk away from the screen. Yeah. Times out after a few seconds, the next person can then work on it. When I'm done with that operation, moving on to the next operation, I go back to the screen, pick the works order and pick the next operation. And there's lots of neat features that Plus5 are listed at the top and these kind of things. So there's some smart ideas, some from us and some from Paradise as well. I think we've done a nice job speccing the machine that's a series of interfaces that's going to work quite well. It's not a customisation of Sage, it doesn't change Sage, it's an additional table. We pay them a fee, we own it, there's no upgrades problems with it, there's no ongoing licence fees. So it doesn't give us worries about customisations. I think it's going to upgrade very, very easily, not going to create problems in future. And you know, when I factor that in, I think this project will pay for itself in 2 years, and I'm very, very comfortable making an investment